Hey everyone, friends. This is Valor's channel. Today I'll show you how to get XRay for Minecraft 1.21, or how to download it. For this, I'll open my browser and we need to search for XRay 1.21. Let's go to CurseForge. Here's 1.21, click download and wait 5 seconds. Then click Save and Close. Open the launcher or type Run in Search, then type %appdata%. OK. Go here to Minecraft and open Resource Packs. Here are the resource packs. Now we add our XRay Ultimate that we downloaded, but it's not here yet. So we copy it from here and paste it here. Then select it in Minecraft's resource packs. That's it. This was Valor. See you all later.